What is goody, my peoples? We're back again with another gem. Today, y'all, I'm about to put y'all on to something that could pay off very well, or not at all, within the next couple months / years. But it's free, so yeah. So if you don't know what mining is, and mining cryptocurrency, I should say, because you probably know what mining is. We all played Minecraft, right? But if you don't know what mining cryptocurrency is basically using systems, whether it be computers, phones, or just these beasts of system to use up a bunch of energy, basically as humongous advanced calculators trying to guess the answers to these crazy equations that will in turn pay them crypto. Now, if you heard about mining, you know you can mine on computers, you know you can mine on these big old systems, but I personally never knew you could mine cryptocurrency on your phone. Up until I was scrolling on YouTube, bigga, and this video came up. This guy was literally mining cryptocurrency from his phone, making money from his phone. Now I'm like, okay, boom, right? I got a phone, right? I love my phone. My phone's cool. But I have another phone. I have 2 phones. I'm like Kevin Gates. I actually have 3 phones, but the other one doesn't turn on. But I still get notifications. It's weird. It's weird. But I'm like, I got all these extra phones. This man is mining crypto from his phone, and my phone is sitting here not making me no money. This phone need to get to work, you feel me? So I personally wanted to test this out. Now it's this app called Pi, right? It's an app and a cryptocurrency called Pi. Now, before we get into the video, deep into the video, this cryptocurrency is not worth anything as of now. They're still in the testing phase, but it costs you literally nothing to get into this. You could download the app for free. You have to use like my referral thingy. I'll put inside a link inside the description or on the screen right there. Just use that when you sign up and you can get put into this. It's kind of like a referral only type of thing, but I'm putting you on game because we friends, you feel me? I'm not a financial advisor. Friends, you remember? But I decided I wanted to try mining on my phone for 24 hours just to see how much of this coin I could get, and hopefully once it launches it'll be worth like 10 cents, $1, $10. Man, listen, Bitcoin was at 0.00001 cent at a time. Maybe this is at 0.00001 cent per coin, and then it goes all the way up to 40,000. You never know. So you might as well get into it. Well, I might as well get into it. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to let this go. If you look right now, it's been mining for the past hour, I believe. I have 1.1911 of this Pi coin now. Oh, that's weird. I didn't even realize Pi coin, you know, like in math, it's the Pi symbol. Pi is 3.14, right? It's funny, you learn all this stuff in school and you instantly forget it after you take the test, huh? But I've been mining for a little while now. I'm just gonna let it go for 24 hours. I'm gonna come back to you guys once the 24 hours is up, and hopefully we're freaking billionaires by then. Hopefully they launch the coin and it's worth $100 million each coin, and I have 100,000,000.1921 of it, you feel me? But yeah, if y'all wanna get into it, y'all can download the app, like I said. Just get yourself some coins just in case this coin does blow up in the future. It doesn't hurt to do it. It literally takes 2 seconds, just put it on your phone. The cool thing about it too is that it can run in the background, so I don't have to keep this on. If you come here, it kind of tells you what the coin is about and everything like that. It says right here, Pi is not free money, it's a long-term product whose success depends on the collective contributions of its members. What is Pi? It's a new cryptocurrency for and by everyday people that you can mine or earn from your phone. Is Pi a real scam? Pi is not a scam. It's a genuine effort by a team of Stanford graduates. I didn't go to Stanford. I went to Harvard, Yale, Oxford. I went to all these other like Ivy League schools, but I did not go to Stanford. But I'm assuming these Stanford people is smart. So it's made by these Stanford graduates that give everyday people greater access to cryptocurrency. You can come through here, kind of read through all of it. Like it says here, do I need to leave the app to mine? You don't need to leave the app. You don't need to leave the app open to mine. Pi does not affect your phone's performance, drain your battery, or use your network data. Once you hit the lightning button, you can even close the app and it will continue to mine Pi. So you can have this, you can use it on your regular phone. I'm just not using it on my regular phone because I have this extra phone. It says it doesn't drain any more battery. It says you can close out the app, whatever, you're still mining Pi. So I'm gonna let this go for 24 hours and I'll be back. And we are back. I just rolled all the way over here. But we got some good news. Now I'm saying, I'm freaking rich now. Listen, I put this go overnight. I'm not gonna hold y'all. It died like 2 hours ago, and I didn't realize it died 2 hours ago. I'm assuming it died 2 hours ago, so I checked it like 2 hours or 3 hours ago, and it was still fine, but I didn't check the battery. So yeah, but it died, but I'm still freaking rich. Know what I'm saying? We got this phone set up. If we look right here, if you guys remember, we started off with 1 Pi. Now we're at 3.7305 Pi and still earning as I speak. Oh, 37306 Pi. Know what I'm saying? Honestly, 307. Dang, I'm making money while I'm asleep. This is crazy. I'm living the dream. Call me Warren Buffett. Elon Musk. Actually, no, we don't want to be Elon Musk. Elon Musk has made every single crypto person hate him. He used to be the most loved in the crypto industry, and now he's one of the most hated in the crypto industry. But anyways, this is how much I made with 20 hours. Dang. But anyways, this is how much I made with 24 hours worth of mining this Pi coin. Now, like I said before, it is not worth anything as of right now, but it took me nothing to do this. I hope I don't get like a bill from my electric company where it's like $10 million, and then it's like, I can't pay that. But right now the whole project is in phase 2, and phase 3 is when they release it on the blockchain, when they start offering it on exchanges. It'll be on PancakeSwap, it'll be on, that's the only one they've said it's gonna be on so far. As long as it's tradable after a while and it earns some type of value, this was not a waste of time. Now, like I said, if you guys want to do this, just in case this Pi ends up becoming actually worth something, even if it goes to freaking a penny, I'll take it. There's 3 pennies that I didn't have before for doing absolutely nothing. I prefer go to $1 million each, or go to Bitcoin's $39,000, whatever Bitcoin is at right now. But I will settle for a couple pennies, a couple cents, a couple dollars, whatever it is. If you guys want to get in, you have to use the referral link so y'all can sign with the referral link. I don't think it actually does anything for me. It's just kind of like an invitation thing if y'all to join it, if y'all want to do it on your phone. It does do it in the background. I did test it out. I turned my phone off. I doubt it was mining while my phone was dead though. Well, I'm almost 100% sure it was not mining when my phone was dead. But when I turned my phone off, it did still mine. So it's kind of like a thing you can run in the background. I closed the app out, everything, and I came back and it was still mining, which is crazy. So you might as well call me, who is a famous miner? Is there such thing as a famous miner? Let me search this up. Famous Bitcoin miner. Barry Silbert. He's not even a miner, he's just a millionaire. Okay. Well, just call me the richest person in the freaking world, because I'm making money while doing nothing. That's what them Forex people be saying, huh? Forex funded, making money in my sleep, making money from my phone, quit my job, IML, join my academy, $239, invest in yourself. That's really what they be saying, it's crazy. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like right now, know what I'm saying? I'm actually curious to see where this coin goes once it gets put out on the market. Hopefully it gets traded a lot. Like I'm saying, this was not, I didn't do this to make $1 billion. I did this as an experiment to kind of show you guys. If you guys want me to try mining Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other like actual cryptocurrency from my phone, just let me know. I would do it. I actually found out a way. I kind of have to like jailbreak my phone or like do some foo-foo with my phone, but like I said, I don't use that phone, so I don't mind messing it up to make some extra money and kind of give you guys some content if you guys want to get into the same type of field, making money from your phone, not Forex. But I should make a Forex video too, because a lot of people think Forex is a scam. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all want me to make a video on Forex. Why am I keep stuttering? I keep punching my freaking hand. I'm just go before I break my freaking hand. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like the video. I'm see y'all. Stay safe. Good luck on all your trades. Everything to the freaking moon. When Pi goes up and hits $1 million, I don't want to hear none of y'all saying nothing. Talking about, oh, Joovier, where's my cut? We was there when it was worth nothing. That's mine, baby. Should have signed up. I'm gonna see y'all.